We are looking at how to customize the sheet format. So first of all, on these versions, one thing we need to do is just open this arrow beside SolidWorks, and we need those toolbars. So I'll just pin that up, and now I'll just open a new file. I will open a blank drawing, and yeah, so make sure that's unchecked. And we're gonna pick a A4 landscape there. And then I'm gonna just escape just because we're going to add a sheet format, so nothing, no views there. So just press escape button on the keyboard and then right click in the blank space, edit sheet format. And now here, if you need more space in your sheet, we can delete some of them. Now as you can see, there's some of these border entities are missing, border lines. So we can just simply go into sketch as normal, and I'm gonna just pick line and then create a line here from here to there, and where did I create it? Yeah, there. Press escape. Once again, create line from here to, I think we need to go all the way to the bottom, so till here. No, I got the line, but I remember we need to change the um, thickness of the line. So for that tool, I'm gonna just go here in the file uh, and search for line tools. Okay, once again, yeah, make sure from here the commands are selected. And now if I search for line, it would give us this line command on the lower left corner of the screen. So now if I select that line, and then from here I can just make it a thicker line, right? So like that. We could do the other one as well. So if I wanted to edit any of the text, I can double click here and the text will open up, and then I can type it in sheet 1, right? And then also, let's say if any of those new text, all we're gonna go do is here in annotation, you go to note, and you just with the window, you just bring the window on there. Make sure with no arrow here. Yeah, so yeah, you just bring that here, and then you have the box there, and we can type it in, whatever we need to. So let's say you want to type in there date. Oh, date is already there. What's missing? Let's say material. Yeah, and so we have all the tools, the size and stuff. So if you want to make it smaller, it's all there, right? Okay, so yeah, we can change the notes, so that's, we can fill it up and customize as we need to. One last thing we also sometime wanted to customize is that if you are, wanted to have a company logo in your sheet format. So for that, first of all, let's find a logo. We need to save it, save the logo somewhere. For that purpose, I just created a Word document file for the logo, So if I just switch to the screen, so here is my Word file, and I have a BCIT logo in it, and I just saved it on my desktop. For some reason, Word file is working better than the image file, so that's the reason. So I have it on my desktop right here. Alright, so while we are in the sheet, while we are in the edit mode of the sheet format, I'm going to just go in here in the command manager and search for insert, and we're going to pick that insert object. Here we'll go create from a file and then browse for the file I saved on my desktop, that Word file with the logo. That's here. Open, and make sure we just click that link button and then say OK. And that logo is here. Now I'm going to just drag it a little bit here so that we can see, and now from the corners we can make it smaller, right? So then make it more smaller. So yeah, just customize it according to what size you need, and then where do you want to dock it on your sheet. Making it a little bit more smaller, so that looks good. So now we have the logo in. All right, so now once we have all the editing done, sheet format looks good, I can just exit from the editing. All right. And now we wanted to make sure that we save this sheet format for the future use. So what we're going to do is remember that toolbar, and there is a save sheet format that you want to save it to either your default folder, or you can save it for wherever you think it's more convenient for us to use. So I'll save it on the desktop for now. You can just name it, this is my BCIT sheet format, and it's A4 landscape, right? A4 landscape, and we save that. Okay, so now it's saved. So now next time, if I open up, I can just actually open that sheet format. So let me just close it here. Yeah, don't save anything. So gonna start blank, and I'll just go file, new, and I'll open the drawing as we would do normally and say OK. And this time when we are here, I will rather browse and go to my desktop, and I have that sheet format there, and open it up and say OK. All right, so we got our customized sheet format here.